Hi everyone, welcome back. So on today's video we're going to be making a small square bonsai pot, and I've got some new sand and some new cement. So I've got some white Portland cement and some really fine kiln dried sand. So I'm hoping to get a nice smooth finish on this pot. If you're interested, you want to see me make this little bonsai pot, I'm going to try and put some feet on it as well, hopefully. So I'll take you through the whole process from start to finish, show you how I make these little pots. So I'll go back to you in a sec and I'll show you what I'm up to. Okay, so I've been and picked up some sand and cement. I got some new stuff because my old stuff was starting to go a bit funny, all clumpy and stuff. So I went for this kiln dried premium sand here. It's really fine, so I should be able to get a nice smooth finish. And they had this white cement there. This is Portland white cement, premium cement. That was really expensive. Didn't think it was going to cost so much for that, but never mind, should be able to get a fair few plant pots out of that. So this is my tools, what we're going to use to make this pot. So I found this little bin in the pound shop. So I decided to cut the top off. This is going to be in a mould for the sand, because it would just save me a bit of time doing it that way. So we get the sand in, and then I'm going to use the same mould because I haven't made a new one yet. In the future I'm going to experiment with, if you take little notches out and stuff, you can make like fancy rims and stuff. You can change the shape and all sorts, but I'm just sticking with it for now. So the sand is 8 centimeters. And I've cut out this bottom bit here, which will be how thick the inside of the pot will be. So we'll do the sand with this, and then the other side is for the pot mould, which is 9.5 centimeters. So I'm allowing an extra 1.5 centimeters for the thickness of the pot, and then we just take it around once we've got the cement on. And I'm hoping to be able to do rounded edges, because the square edges is quite difficult to do using these moulds. So that should work well. So I've set things up. I'm going to use this to mix the cement in. Just do little batches at a time, rather than try and do the whole lot. Anyway, flip the camera around and we'll make a start, guys. Okay guys, so we got our first layer of cement on, and I've just put the string on, the reinforcement string. So you'll see a lot of people use metal wire. I found it easier to use string. I did try and use wire once, but it didn't turn out too well. But the string seems pretty good. It should still give the pot plenty of strength. So I've just spiraled it around all the way, and then spiraled it around the bottom. Left the middle clear because that's where the hole is going to go, the drainage hole. So next step is to get all this covered up with another layer of cement. Then we'll leave it a little while, just for half an hour or so, just to set a little bit. And then I'll put another runny layer on, and we'll start shaping it with our plastic mould. Okay guys, so our pot's done now. Decided to go with some little triangle feet. So I think turned out pretty good. Tried to sign my initials on there, but it's quite difficult to do, so I have to find some sort of stamp to use to do that in the future. But yeah, I think it's turned out pretty good. So I'll come back to this in 24 to 48 hours, and we'll take it out and give it a clean up and see how it turned out. Okay guys, so this is 24 hours later now and the pot should be dry. So flip it over, take the sand out, give it a little clean up. Okay guys, so that's the pot all cleaned up. So now I'm just going to do a really runny mix of pure cement and just paint around the inside, just to try and smooth it off a little bit and fill in a couple of little holes. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. So on today's video we made this little square bonsai pot here. So I think this turned out really well. I quite like this sand and cement because the white cement mixed with the sand kind of gives it this sandstone effect. And we managed to put the 4 little feet on there. I went for little triangular ones just because it's quite easy to do that sort of feet. Anyway guys, I hope you found today's video useful, and good luck if you decide to make your own bonsai pot. Hopefully you'll be able to follow the method I used and create your own one. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you on the next one.